Green tea, the wonder beverage. In this short video, we are going to reveal the green tea health benefits. Herbal tea has become very popular these days. Green tea in particular has been known to fight cancer and help in the prevention and cure of many other diseases. There have been hundreds of reviews written about green tea health benefits. Numerous testimonials about its effectiveness have been made public, which have contributed to the popularity of this herbal drink. To learn more about green tea health benefits, we have to know its roots and its content. Green tea has been used by Chinese as a staple drink for hundreds of years. It was also used by people in ancient China and India for medicinal purposes. Green tea was used to cure simple headaches, help in digestion, aid in curing food poisoning, and many others. Chinese have been aware of the green tea health benefits for hundreds of years. Recent studies show that Chinese men who drank green tea over the years have lower rate of cancer than those who did not. Green tea is an effective antioxidant. Green tea extracted from the leaves of a plant known as Camellia sinensis is an herb that was first cultivated in China. Studies show that this plant contains a high level of catechin polyphenols called epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG. EGCG is a very effective antioxidant which inhibits cancer cell growth and disintegrates cancer cells. This chemical contributes to green tea health benefits because it lowers cholesterol level and prevents blood clots. Green tea versus black tea. Other teas are known to have medical benefits too, but green tea health benefits far exceed the rest. The basic difference of green tea from other teas is the preparation. Green tea is made from boiling fresh leaves of the plant, while the also famous black tea is made from fermented leaves. The fermented leaves used in making black tea do not contain as much EGCG found in fresh leaves. The antioxidants found in black teas are far lesser than those found in green teas. So far, green tea health benefits have been proven by several studies showing hard evidences. Green tea for weight loss. Recent studies also show that green tea health benefits include weight loss. The antioxidants in green teas help speed up burning of calories. Because it is a very good antioxidant, it also affects weight loss as it detoxifies human system to allow proper absorption of nutrients and flushing out fats. Green tea for healthier teeth. Another known green tea health benefit is that it prevents cavities and promotes health in the mouth. Green tea has been found to contain minerals like fluoride that fight bacteria causing cavities. The polyphenols found in the tea strengthens teeth and prevents bad breath. Some people even gargle with green tea for healthier mouth. Rich in vitamins. Green tea has been found to contain vitamin C that protects the body's immune system, vitamin B components that help burn carbohydrates, and vitamin E for healthier and younger-looking skin. Green tea health benefits patients suffering from rheumatism. The green tea has chemicals that decrease blood inflammation, which results in the prevention of arthritis. This wonder beverage has also been reported to lower blood sugar, reduce stress, and prevent high blood pressure. The green tea health benefits are indeed outstanding. To date, there have been no reports of fatal side effects, and so green tea continues to be popular and in demand. Well, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and leave your comments. And if you want more informative videos like this, please make sure to subscribe nSolutions. Have a good day.